I got a 2005 Yukon Denali 6.0 engine in it, and it blew a fuse. It's got 4 fuse boxes for the fuses and relays. If you don't know where they're at, check this video out. Hi you guys, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, I would like to take the time out to say welcome and hope to see you again and again. Well, if you're like me, I had a heck of a time trying to figure out where my fuse was because there's 4 fuse boxes. So in this video, I'm going to share with you where these fuse boxes are at. Okay, the first fuse box you're going to have is the number 1 instrument panel fuse block. Then you have number 2, the center instrument panel utility block. Then number 3, you have underhood fuse block. And then number 4, you have auxiliary electric cooling fan fuse block. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly where the fuse block location is at. Then you have a diagram of the fuse block. Then lastly, you'll have the descriptions of the fuses themselves. There'll be 4 sections for each fuse block, and each page will run for about a minute. I ran it for a minute of each page so you don't have to pause it. Sometimes when you pause it on your phone, things will pop up on your screen. So that's why I ran it for a minute. Remember, there's 4 sections and there's 3 subsections within each section. So watch it all the way through and you'll understand what I mean. Number 1, instrument panel fuse block. This fuse block access door is on the driver's side edge of the instrument panel. All you have to do is open your door and you'll see the access panel. Take your hand and go to the bottom of the panel and lift up and it'll pop right out. And your fuse block will be right there. Number 2, center instrument panel utility block. The center instrument panel utility block is found underneath the instrument panel to the left of the steering column. This particular fuse block, as you look underneath, has a plastic cover. You'll see a plastic screw that you can unscrew by hand. Once you unscrew it, to the left of the box, you'll see a tab in the back. Just unsnap it and the cover should come right off. The fuse block will be behind it. Number 3. Underhood fuse block. The underhood fuse block relay center is located in the rear of the engine compartment near the brake fluid reservoir. This fuse block also has a cover that can be easily unsnapped, as shown. Number 4. Auxiliary electronic cooling fan fuse block. The auxiliary electronic cooling fan fuse block is located in the engine compartment at the driver's side of the vehicle next to the underhood fuse block. This also has a cover that can be easily unsnapped as shown. When removing a fuse or relay in this area, you may or may not have to remove this bracket. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!